Okay, today we're going to learn how to add and subtract mixed numbers. Some of the keywords and mathematical language that you will need to use and remember when explaining this concept would be like fractions, whole numbers, fractional parts, regroup, and simplify. We will first look at addition of mixed numbers. Let's look at this question here. Find the sum of 2 2/3 plus 3 5/9. Okay, first you need to change the fractional parts to like fractions. So by fractional parts I mean this and this. Okay, the denominators are 3 9, and we know that 9 is the first common multiple of 3 and 9. So we need to change this fraction such that the denominator is 9. So what we do is multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, which will give us 6/9. So 2 6/9 plus 3 5/9. Okay, so just a graphic representation of what we just said. Okay, then we need to add the whole numbers. So 2 plus 3 will give us 5, and then we add the fractional part. So 6/9 plus 5/9 is 11/9. So 5 11/9. However, we cannot just leave our answer like that because this is still an improper fraction. Okay, so we're gonna regroup this into 9/9 plus 2/9. In other words, this 9/9 here is actually 1 2/9. Okay, so 5 wholes plus 1 2/9. In other words, we will get 6 2/9, and that is our answer. Let's look at this question next. Okay, find the sum of 2 1/4 plus 3 5/6. Again, the first step is to convert them to like fractions. So 1/4 and 5/6. In this case, 4 and 6, okay, the first common multiple is 12. So over here, this time around we need to change both fractional parts. So we multiply it by 3 for the numerator and denominator, and for this fractional part we multiply it by 2. Okay, so you should get 2 3/12 plus 3 10/12. Again, a graphic representation here. Okay, again we add the whole numbers first. 2 plus 3, you get 5. Then 3/12 plus 10/12 is 13/12. Okay, so we get 5 13/12. But again, we need to regroup it. 2 12/12 plus 1/12. So you get 1 whole and 1/12. So you get 6 1/12. Moving on to subtraction of mixed numbers. Find the difference between 1 1/8 and 2 3/4. So in this case, they're asking for you to use 2 3/4 to minus 1 1/8. Similar to the previous addition of mixed numbers, we first have to change them to like fractions. So look at this fractional part and this fractional part. The first common multiple would be 8. So I multiply this by 2. For both the numerator and denominator, I should get 2 6/8 minus 1 1/8. So in this case, it's quite straightforward. First, you subtract the whole numbers first. 2 minus 1, you get 1, and then you subtract the fractional parts. 6/8 minus 1/8, you get 5/8. Okay, and that is your answer because it's a mixed number that doesn't have an improper fraction. Okay, and over here you don't have to simplify anything. Next question. Find the difference between 5 1/6 and 2 5/9. Again, the first step is to change the fractional parts such that they have the same denominators. Okay, so 18 would be the first common multiple of 6 and 9. So you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 for this side, and you multiply it by 2 for this side. So you will get 5 and 3/18 minus 2 and 10/18. So again, you subtract the whole numbers first. You should get 3 wholes. However, if you look at this part, you have 3/18 minus 10/18. It's going to be a little bit hard for this part because 3 parts cannot subtract 10 parts. So what we have to do is we have to regroup one whole over here into 18/18. So 2 wholes plus 18/18 is the 3 wholes over here, and this is just the 3/18. Okay, so what we are doing is we are adding this part up. So 2 wholes and 21/18. So we are going to use this 2 wholes and 21/18 to subtract 10/18, and that would give us 2 and 11/18. Okay, and since this is a proper fraction, we do not need to simplify further. And that is it. Among the members of your expert groups, work out the questions, and when time is up, your teacher would ask you to go back to your home groups.